A very good afternoon. Today I come with the message of the day. So let's see what's the message for today. Honor and trust your feelings. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for supporting, guiding, and protecting me. As I listen to and act upon my feelings, help me understand and express my emotions with love. So this is thanking your angels for supporting and guiding you with your inner feeling that is coming right now. So honor it, respect it, and trust your feelings right now. And the second card is citrine. This is a new deck that I've started. This is saying unnecessary worries. Release the burden of worries by giving them to God for healing and solutions. So actually right now we, of course, we all are worrying about the current situation. So this card is an indication that stop the unnecessary worries right now, because we are thinking a lot about the future and we are giving all our attention to our future, which is very uncertain. So this card is giving an indication of right now focusing on your present situation rather than thinking a lot about your future. Think about the present, live in the present right now, and give away your unnecessary worries and burdens to the angels for healing and solutions. Okay, also I have done tarot. I have removed three decks, like 1, 2 and 3, if you can see. And the question that I have right now is, many people are really concerned about their financial condition, about their jobs, about their businesses. So this is a reading relating to as to how to deal with it and what is the guidance the tarot cards are telling. So it's 1, 2 and 3. All you have to do is close your eyes and concentrate on the question relating to your finances, about your career, about your work, about your job right now. And just think of any one number, 1, 2 and 3, whatever comes, the innermost intuition comes the number. I'll just give you a few seconds. We just give a few seconds to this. Okay, so let's see if you have thought of number thought of number 1. Okay, 1 is showing money coming from property also, and travel for work is there. Of course, I'm just telling about the future right now. So this card is saying not to need to worry about your money or your job. I think both are okay. Okay, so this is saying that the money, if you've chosen 1, no need to worry about it. And this is number 2, if you've chosen number 2. 2 is showing somewhat of a struggle and some concerns regarding your work. Also, if you want to start something new, you can go ahead with it. And if you've chosen number 3, 3 is also saying that you can look for other opportunities right now, as well as what you're doing, continue doing, but look for other opportunities. So 1 is showing security in your work. Second is showing some complications right now, and you can think of something new right now. And third is showing that along with what you're doing, you see for other opportunities also. So this is the tarot for your work and your career. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, you can message me in your comment box. And if you like the video, please do share it. Thank you so much.